Hello everyone and welcome. This is the ExamClouds channel and my name is Tatiana. In today's lesson, we are starting our Java programming course. And traditionally, we'll begin by looking at the key features of Java. Java is a very popular language today, and we will learn what specific features make it so widely used. So, the first feature is its simplicity. The Java language is easy to learn and efficient for professional programmers to use. Security. Java provides multiple levels of protection against malicious software. The third feature is object orientation. In Java, almost everything is an object. It's quite difficult to write any program without creating a class. Reliability. The Java language places great emphasis on early detection of potential errors, dynamic runtime checking, and eliminating situations that could lead to failures. Multithreading is the ability to implement programs that perform many tasks simultaneously. The next feature is architectural neutrality and portability. Written once, it runs everywhere, at any time of year and always. When Java was first conceived, there was a problem. If a program was written for one platform, it was quite difficult to port it to another. The developers of the Java language aimed to solve this problem, and they largely succeeded. Distributed nature. Java was created for the Internet. It supports protocols like TCP, IP, and RMI, allowing programs to invoke methods over a network. Capability. Java was designed to easily adapt to an ever-changing environment. You can freely add new methods and objects to its libraries. Java allows you to easily obtain information about a program's execution. Interpreted nature. Programming languages are broadly divided into compiled and interpreted types. Java is an interpreted language. And the final feature is its high performance. In our next lesson, we will explore the history of Java. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like our videos. Visit our website examclouds.com and support our project on Patreon. Goodbye for now, everyone.